Good evening. How are all you flat earthers out there? I hope you're all well and good. As a scientist on the planet Earth, the flat planet Earth, you can ask any question to a scientist like me. Any question about ball Earth, flat Earth, outer space, which Van Allen radiation belts. Let's talk tonight about Van Allen radiation belts. Well, Van Allen said, shot a rocket up there with a Geiger counter on it in 1959 and told you, oh, there's belts up there. Yeah, sure. No one, no human on this planet has ever proved that there's Van Allen radiation belts above the earth. No one. Not one human has proved his theory. Not one. Not one human of 7 billion humans has proved scientifically Van Allen belts. It's like, it's like, here, I'll show you. It's like this belt as far as I'm concerned. Because there might be cockroaches in your house, but Van Allen radiation belts? Oh, that's a hot one. You can go to NASA. You can go to any space agency on the planet. Any of them, all of them, and any of them, and ask them Russian Space Agency, European Space Agency, and just say one thing: prove to me Van Allen radiation belts. And you know what? They can't prove fuck all. You also must remember, if you're going to build a spacecraft and you're going to put humans in it who could be your daughter or your son, and you got 50 million bucks like NASA does every, I don't know, every week. You'd want that thing to work. Now, as many people have shown all of us that that thing they landed on the moon, I would not get in that fucking thing. And I was around in 1969. And what proved to me they didn't land on the moon was not the bullshit and the films and all that. It was when they come back and they put them in a slipstream trailer. And those trailers were very, very good. But not that. But the point is that they put them in quarantine. Now, what quarantine means is quarantine, that nobody can go near them. So, but they couldn't get infected on the moon because to get infected, uh, and any doctor will tell you, you have to breathe in an infection. You breathe it in, it goes in your lungs, it goes in your system. That is the first thing that happens. You can actually breathe in an infection. Now, of course, they were breathing out of supposedly oxygen tanks, so they never breathed moon air to get any infection. And they don't like to bring that up because they want you stupid. And I mean stupid. As far as fake X is concerned, that's all fake for quite a few reasons. I'm glad that flat earthers are seeing the light, that these people, they make a lot of money from pushing this ball earth, spinning ball, wet spinning tennis ball. I mean, it's a joke. The earth is huge. And of course, in 1959, they told wars were going on in 1959 all over the earth. But these people, most of them are dead. They're dead. The worms are with them. But they were brainwashed. And now you cannot go. No, 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 no. You cannot go have a beer. You cannot go have a beer at the South Pole or beyond. Beyond. You can't go. It's, you're not a human. It's not, no, you're a human. Oh, but you can't go to the South Pole because you're not human enough to go to the South Pole. Because we decided in 59 you are not human enough to go to the South Pole. No, 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 you can't go there. That is off limits, like the outer limits. You cannot go. No, no, the South Pole is not there. No, there's no South Pole there on the ball, on the tennis ball, the wet tennis ball. There's no South Pole. No, no, that can't be there. You can't go there anyway. They signed treaty. Treaty. What fucking treaty? A bunch of fucking assholes got together. We say, oh, we can't go to the South Pole because we signed treaty in 1959. And these people say, oh, You can go to the South Pole. Oh, no. You take your craft, your ship that you built, and they will stop it. They will watch you build it. They will say, "What you doing?" And you say, "None of your fucking business. I'm going to have a beer at the South Pole. I'm going to, sit down at the South Pole and have a cold beer." They say, "No, you can't." I said, "Why?" "Because of 59 treaty." "What treaty? I didn't sign this treaty in 59, although I was born before that." Of course, the earth is flat. It's not a spinning ball, spinning around and in billions of miles away, and billions and trillions and trillions. It's all a pile of shit, which they don't like people, us humans waking up to the fact that to the fact that the earth is flat. And the earth has always been flat, real flat, you know. And this is the truth. And Dominusco Visco upum spiritum up my ass. You think any religion on this planet gives a shit about your human ass? No, they don't. They don't give one shit. So, as I say before, the earth is flat. So, that's that. Welcome to the real world and not a bullshit world of a spinning wet tennis ball and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and trillions of miles away. All their trillions and trillions and billions and billions and billions. Geez, I don't even have billions. It's all a pile of bloody brainwashing taught to me. This was taught to me. This is taught to you. It was not the teacher's faults. No, it was not. The teachers are very good in Canada, United States, and worldwide, Japan, and China. They teach people how to read and write. But that's it. The propaganda has been going on for thousands of years. Thousands. Our humans' history stinks. And it really stinks. It stinks like if a whale had a big shit in your backyard. You'd have one hell of a time cleaning a big fucking whale turd in your backyard. That's how bad human history stinks. Till the next time we talk about flat Earth and space travel and where we are But there is one thing we have not, and I am not into any religion. I'm not into Catholics, Muslim, Hindu, Rosicrucians, Protestants, or anything like that. I'm not into any religion on this planet. There's humans on this planet, and we are the smartest, the best species on this planet. Otherwise, we could not love our cats and dogs. We would eat them if we got out. So keep it flat and remember there's millions of us flat earthers and we're the best and we will always be the best at all times. Thank you.